Deleting your WordPress website from Hostinger is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can delete your WordPress website from Hostinger. So for that you have to go to the homepage of Hostinger. Now here, make sure you are logged into your Hostinger account and you will see something like that. Now here you have to click on, under hosting section, you have to click on this manage button. After clicking on this button, you will see a page something like that. Now here in this page, what you have to do is you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see these options. In these options, you have to select auto install. You just have to click on auto installer and it will take you to this page. Now in this page, you guys can see installed applications. Here under name section, you guys can find the name and the URL of the website you're just hosting on your Hostinger. Now after selecting your website here, your WordPress website that you just want to delete, you just have to click on this three dots and it will show you these three options. Now here you have to click on this delete button. After clicking on delete button, you will see this page. Now here you have to select both of these checkboxes, which is telling me that you can delete the database and installation files as well. After selecting this, you just have to click on this delete button and your WordPress website from Hostinger should be deleted. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.